carry shapes my stride, but strength is born from what I hide. This is the work of the soul, breaking patterns to be whole. In the struggle I find grace, healing lives in every space. Perfection whispers in my ear, but truth cuts through what I hold dear. Through sweat and doubt I learn to see the purpose hidden deep in me. I cleanse the wounds that time has made, transform the pain I once obeyed. Each task becomes a sacred vow to live with balance here and now. This is the work of the soul, breaking patterns to be whole. In the struggle I find grace, healing lives in every space. Oh,